Hello, I'm going to show you how to do a front right cross carry with a stretchy wrap. You can do this with a two-way stretch wrap, so the ones that stretches both direction or ones that stretch just one way, and are a little bit harder to learn how to wrap with. It's a good way to be able to control the tension and know what you're doing the whole time, as opposed to doing the pocket wrap cross carry where you would have everything pre-wrapped, and some people don't like this very much. Also a good carry to try as your baby gets bigger and you find the pocket wrap cross carry, it's not supportive anymore, because with this carry you can control the tension more easily and it will give you a little bit more support. So give it a go. This is how it works. We start with the middle marker on the front, don't mind the baby in the background, and then I'm going to just grab my towel, spread it across my back, and I'm just going to twist them here. Make sure it's not twisted, so it's super comfy. I'm going to make a little bit of room in the pocket pass, not very much because it's stretchy, and then I'm going to grab the towel that's on top of the other and put it between my knees to create some safety and also to hold the tension. So I'm going to grab a baby, and then I'm going to grab the legs, and I'm going to sit baby in a nice deep seat, bum lower than the knees. Make sure you take your time, support baby's head when you do that. And then I'm just going to spread the fabric. And I'm going to bring the middle marker to the neck, so baby's well supported. And then I'm just going to pull, and really pull quite hard. Use your shoulder to move that slack. It should be really nice and snug, so really give it a good pull. Keep the tension by pinning that towel to your knees. And we'll grab the other one, and I'm going to give a good pull as well. When you feel it's nice and snug, we're just going to grab both tails, cross on the baby's bum, and then on the baby's knees. And then, because usually stretch wraps are really long, you might want to cross, come back, tie here. If it's very long, you can even go and tie on your back, it's up to you. Make sure you don't step on your tails. Double knot. I'm going to do a bow because it is very long, and then I'm going to spread the fabric on the front. So for stretchy wrap, I always recommend you do a 3-layer carry. It's more supportive than 1 layer. So I'm going to grab the pastas inside, so you see how they cross here. I'm going to grab this one that goes underneath the other, or the one that's closest to my skin. And then there's loads of ways to spread and flip the shoulder. You can either spread and flip after, or flip like that, or you can grab this rail. You see the other side of the wrap, so if you have a printed wrap, you might want to start inside out, so it shows the print, or you can go like that. It's up to you. Lots of ways to do this. Reason why I flip the shoulder is so that I can keep baby's airways clear. Very, very important for safety. Or you can just not flip, and you can spread straight like that, and then move away the fabric that is near baby's face, and then flip it like that. It's entirely your choice. Handy thing to be able to do with stretchy wraps is to support the back of the head, especially when baby's asleep, so you have 2 fingers between chin and chest. That's it. Safety wise, we want the wrap to be tight, baby's airways in view at all times. Baby should be close enough to kiss the top of their head so you can monitor them. Keep chin of chest. Like I said, 2 fingers between chin and chest, so we avoid any slumping. You can use it on the back of the head. And then supported back, supported from knee to knee, all the way to the neck. You might want to grab a little cloth if you want to create more head support, and roll it like that around the neck. So you've got a bit more padding here, and then baby's more free to move the head, and the head is well supported. There you go. For yourself, make sure you always spread all the fabric all over your back, all over your lower back. That'll give you lots of support. Taking baby out, super simple. Just move the fabric away, move this, support, one arm through, one arm through, and get baby out. Now the disadvantage of this carry is you'll have to rewrap every time, but once you get the hang of it, it's super quick. Thank you for watching.